Good morning, students. Today we will discuss more about the lenses. So we will discuss about the concave lens today and the lens formulas and some numerical problem related to these two type of lenses.
Object is placed between optical center and the focus. Where we will find the image, we will discuss it once again. Okay. So if we had placed here an object, so this is an object. I told you whenever we will always draw two incident ray from the particular object. So one ray, if it will fall parallel, then what will happen? Passed from the other one is optical center. These line will never meet on that side, so we will extend it to so we will have, if we have the image on the same side of the lens, then either it is virtual or erect. Sorry, real or virtual. Virtual image. We will get virtual image since it is on the same side, as well as we have magnified image. Here we have find magnified image erect. So that's why convex lens is also used as magnified lens. Convex lens को हम magnified lenses के में भी use करते हैं. We will use it in the microscopes. We will use it in the microscopes. While in microscopes, क्योंकि हमें क्या करती है enlarged image concave lenses. Okay. Concave lens is also known as diverging lens. I think I had explained you when I was explaining about the focus point that concave lens is also known as diverging lens. So now if the object is placed, we have only two conditions here because in each and every condition we will get the same type of images. So we will take two concept here. When the rays falls parallel on the concave lens and other condition when the object is placed between beyond f and another एक आएगा आपका infinity. Other than all the cases it is approximately same. So when the object is placed beyond f, if this is your f, be a property in the class, if the object is placed beyond f, then what will happen whenever we have parallel beam of light? So since it is very diminished, okay, very diminished और सीधी बनती है तो क्या बोलेंगे हम erect same side, that means it is and where between optical center and focus, between optical center and focus, very diminished or we can say polarized. Always whenever we are using the concave lenses we will always get diminished as well as which type of images virtual, क्योंकि अपने आप नहीं मिल रही हैं, we are extending it in the opposite direction. We are extending in opposite direction. That's why we have always virtual, erect, diminished means choti, and between where. So the 4 points you have to write. Whenever you are making any type of image by convex or concave, क्या बताना है आपको? You have to find whether it is real or virtual. Real के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? It should be on that side of the image. ठीक है? And for virtual it should be on the same side where we have placed the object. Then we have real then we have either it is diminished or enlarged. देखने से पता चल जाएगा if it is of same size so exactly same. So and other than that diminished means choti. So when we will get the exactly same size, only we have one case when object is placed at 2f. on the convex lens. ये कंडीशन है जब आपको सेम साइज का ऑब्जेक्ट मिलता है when the object is placed at 2l. Now we have this one condition. Then we have another condition when we have placed it at the infinity. यानी पैरेलल बीम अगर जाएंगी तो आपको पता ही है कहाँ पे इकट्ठी होंगी. When we have parallel beam of light falls on the concave mirror, what will happen? Where we will get the images. हाँ, तो एक आप ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से सीधे निकाल दीजिए, दूसरा आपकी it will diverge, then ये पैरेलल होगी. At the focus of the lens. So we have only two conditions for the parallel beam of light. Either we have convex or we have concave lens. For both the lens, when we have the image parallel beam of light falls on the lens, we will always get the image on the focus of the lens. चाहे वो हमारे पास either we have convex or we have concave. Okay. Then we have how we will distinguish between concave and convex lens without knowing that, without touching them, without touching, how we can distinguish between convex and concave lens. कैसे हमें पता चलेगा कि ये convex lens है और ये concave lens है. So how we will distinguish? If we will find always image diminished, that means we have which type of lens? We have concave lens. और अगर हमारे पास enlarged image आती है, that means we have convex lens. तो कॉन्वेक्स लेंस से हमें दो तीन जगह से आपको देखना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज वी हैव वन कंडीशन, इफ वी विल टेक मोर क्लोजर टू द फोकस देन वी कैन आल्सो गेट द मैग्निफाइड इमेज. सो ओके, रियल मींस रियल एंड वर्चुअल, वी हैव टू कंडीशन. सिर्फ कॉन्वेक्स लेंस में एक कंडीशन आती है जहां पे हमें कैसी इमेज मिल जाती है? वर्चुअल. एंड इन कॉन्केव वी विल ऑलवेज गेट द वर्चुअल. तो आपको देखना पड़ेगा कॉन्केव एंड कॉन्वेक्स में, कॉन्वेक्स में दो तीन बार, बट कॉन्केव वी विल ऑलवेज गेट द वर्चुअल इमेजेस. और कॉन्केव से हमेशा आपको कैसी मिलती है? डिमिनिश्ड. और उसमें अलग अलग कंडीशन है, तो वो में तो आप दो तीन जगह से इधर उधर इमेज देखेंगे. इफ यू आर ऑलवेज गेटिंग इन डिमिनिश्ड इमेज, दैट मींस यू हैव व्हिच टाइप ऑफ लेंस? कॉन्केव लेंस. Then we have the formula, I think so. Before it, sign convention. How we will take the sign if we are using the formula? So first of all, we have to know the formula. So lens formula is equal to 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u, where u is the distance of the object from the optical center, v is the distance of the object image from the optical center, and f is the focal length. Then this is your lens formula. Okay, lens formula. And we have another formula, that is power of the lens. So power of the lens is always p is equal to 1 upon f, but f should be always in the meter. F should always be in the meter. Then the unit of power is always diopter. D, we will represent it by D. The unit is diopter. When the focus length is in meter, then only the power of the lens is in diopter. We have always focal length in the centimeters. So first you have to change the focal length into meter, then only you can find the power of the lens. Power of lens is equal to 1 upon f. It is always the reciprocal of the focal length. And we have another, if we have combination of some lenses, that if we have 1, 2, 3 more than lenses, then the power of lens is always equal to P1 plus P2 plus Pn. How many lenses we have? Either we have how many lenses? If we have n lenses, then power of lens is equal to power of the combination of the lenses is always P1 plus P2 plus P3 up to Pn. Always focal length should be in meters. Keep in your mind, focal length is always should be in the meters. In some books it is written 1 upon f, or you can say 100 upon f. Then we have centimeters. So आपका अपने आप ही ये क्या चीज हो जाएगा? It is in diopter. Because if focal length is in centimeters, so I am not writing, so you will not get confused. 1 upon f, but f should be in meters. Okay. Then, so how we will use the sign convention for the lenses? Now we will discuss little bit about it. How we will take the sign? कैसे आप पॉजिटिव लेंगे? When you will take the negative sign? When you will take the positive sign? If this is your lens, any lens, so if आपकी incident ray, if we have placed here object, so incident ray, this is your optical center. All distances we will take from the optical center. सारी distances हम कहाँ से लेंगे? Optical center से. So incident ray जिस direction में होगी, अगर उसके opposite direction में आपको नापना पड़ रहा है, then you will take the distance as negative. And if the line you are taking, that this is your image, यहाँ पे आपको image मिली. अगर आप इंसिडेंट रे की डायरेक्शन में ही नाप रहे हैं, that means you have to take is positive. अगर इसकी अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में you are taking the distances, then it is negative. Like an example, this is your optical center. अगर हमें ऑब्जेक्ट की डिस्टेंस नापनी है from the optical center, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? इस डायरेक्शन में इसको नापना पड़ेगा. That means we are taking इसकी डायरेक्शन के अपोजिट. That means we will take u as negative. If you are not getting, kindly ask. अगर आपको इस डायरेक्शन की अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में डिस्टेंस नापनी पड़ी है, since we are always measuring it from the optical center, that means हमें अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में इंसिडेंट रे के नाप रहे हैं, that means u is always negative. U is always negative. तो ऑब्जेक्ट U हमेशा नेगेटिव है. V can be negative or positive accordingly कि किस डायरेक्शन में नाप रहे हैं. जनरली आप ये नाप लीजिए कि लेफ्ट साइड वी आर टेकिंग एज नेगेटिव, लेफ्ट साइड की जो डिस्टेंसेस हैं वी आर टेकिंग एज नेगेटिव, एंड राइट साइड वी आर टेकिंग पॉजिटिव, क्योंकि हम लोग जनरली ऑब्जेक्ट अपना लेफ्ट साइड में रख रहे हैं. अगर आप ऑब्जेक्ट अपना इधर साइड रखेंगे तो इसका रिवर्स, यू विल टेक द रिवर्स ऑफ दिस. सो दैट अब यहाँ से हम इधर नापेंगे फॉर फाइंडिंग द इमेज. Distance of the image from the optical center, so this will be the distance. So we will take V as positive for if you have the which type of image, real or virtual? Real. तो अगर आपकी real image आ गई तो V positive और virtual image आ गई तो V negative. U is mostly almost negative. ठीक है? U is almost negative. अब depend करता है कि which type of lens we have, कॉन्वेक्स और कॉनकेव. सो कॉन्वेक्स लेंस का एफ आप पॉजिटिव लेंगे और कॉनकेव का एफ आप क्या लेंगे? नेगेटिव लेंगे. ठीक है, कॉन्वेक्स एफ नेगेटिव. ये इसके अलावा भी आपको साइन लेने हैं. दिस इज द लेंस फॉर्मूला, एंड व्हेनेवर यू वांट टू टेक द डिस्टेंसेस यू हैव टू राइट हियर. अगर यू आपका नेगेटिव है तो 20 सेंटीमीटर है तो यू हैव टू टेक हियर -20. Accordingly you have to write. Okay, so this is for the distances. Now for the height. height के लिए क्या करना है आपको? अगर इसके जो आपकी प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के ऊपर आपकी लेंथ है, then you have to take is positive. और इसके नीचे अगर आपको लेना है, either you will get here or you will get here. Then if you are taking below this principal axis, that means you have to take as negative. If above this principal axis you have to take as positive, below this principal axis you have to take as negative height. Okay, we have another formula here, magnification formula. As you have studied in your I think mirror magnification of the mirror also, you have that. What is there the formula? M is equal to minus V upon U. Here you have M is equal to V upon U, which is equal to height of image upon height of the object. both you don't take here negative sign, only you will take here negative and positive accordingly v but you are getting v but you are getting u उनके साइन लगेंगे लेकिन फॉर्मूले में कोई साइन नहीं है नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव तो फॉर मी अब how you will get how you will from the value of m how you will get the answer of the question whether you have enlarged image diminished image or you have of the same size of the image m की वैल्यू से आप पता लगा लेंगे आपकी इमेज किस टाइप की है look at here if m is less than 1 अगर m n से बड़ा है छोटा है if m is less than 1 से छोटा है that since it is a ratio है 1 से छोटा है that means ये 1 से छोटा का मतलब है कि आपकी इमेज कैसी होगी हमेशा डिमिनिश छोटी ऑब्जेक्ट के बराबर नहीं होगी ऑब्जेक्ट से छोटी होगी फ्रैक्शन 1 से छोटा है मतलब पॉइंट्स में है ओके और इट इज अ फ्रैक्शन दैट मींस यू विल गेट डिमिनिश्ड इमेज आपकी इमेज कैसी होगी डिमिनिश्ड ऑलवेज स्मॉलर देन द ऑब्जेक्ट इफ n is less than 1 you will have diminished image if m is equal to if 1 सेम साइज इस दोनों का साइज सेम होगा hi और h ऑब्वियसली अगर ये आपका देखिए hi upon ho is equal to f if m is less than 1 if this is your m अगर ये लेस देन 1 हो जाता है द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस इज लेस देन 1 this is m and it is less than 1 that means hi image is hi height of the image is less than height of the object agar height of the image is less than height of the object that means you will get diminished image आपकी इमेज कैसी होगी छोटी होगी if m is equal to 1 so obviously hi is equal to ho that means you will get the same size image of same size you will get same size of the image जितने आपके ऑब्जेक्ट की इमेज सेम you have the size of the image then if m is greater than 1 if m is greater than 1 अगर m आपका 1 से बड़ा हो जाए तो you will get enlarged image आपको पहले से भी बड़ी इमेज मिलती है enlarged image if m is less than 1 you will have diminished image if m is equal to 1 that means you have the same size of the image object and image the size of both the thing will be equal to each other and if m is greater than 1 that means you have enlarged image okay these are the condition for the magnification and this is the sign convention how you have to take the sign for solving the numerical problem now I think your this chapter is finished only we have the numerical problems related to this chapter which is most important how you have to solve the numerical problem today we will discuss some examples if I think we have discussed all the things here. So I have a question here. An object is placed at a distance of 50 centimeter from the concave lens. So object is placed at the distance of 50 centimeter. So that means which thing is given to us? We have u. Object is placed, that means u is given to us. What is u? U is equal to 50. Always we will take u as negative. So minus 50 centimeter u. Object is placed at a distance of 50 centimeter from a concave lens of focal length 20 centimeter. I told you if you have concave lens, take focal length as negative and convex lens you have to take positive. So since we have concave lens here, so we will take here minus 20 centimeter. Now question is, find the nature and position. You have to find the nature and position of the image. तो पहले आपको लेंस फॉर्मूला यूज करके you have to find the value of v. Then we will get and you have also find magnification. क्या क्या निकालना है हमको? We have to find v as well as m and nature of the image. So how? Look at here, we will use the lens formula. Those who want to do it yourself and tell your answer here. We have the lens formula 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. So 1 upon f, that means 1 upon minus 20 is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon minus 50. Minus 1 upon 20 is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon 50. 1 upon v is equal to minus 1 upon 20 minus 1 upon 50. The LCM of 20 and 50 is obviously 100. Minus 7 upon 100. 1 upon b is equal to minus 7 upon 100. That means b is equal to minus 100 upon 7. 7 बन गया 7. We have 3 remainder here. 7 4 is 28. We have 2 here. 7 6 are 14. 7 6 are 14 and so on. So we will sorry 7 2 या 14. 7 2 या 14. लिख लो दो 2 are more. 7 2 places are more than enough. So up to 2 places we will find 14.28 centimeter minus v. If we are getting v as minus, the meaning of v is minus, that means virtual. If v is positive, that means we have real. But if we have v negative, that means we have virtual. Virtual हम image है हमारी. अब पहले हम मैग्निफिकेशन में निकालेंगे. So we will get the exact nature of the image. So for magnification, we will use formula Vm is equal to V upon U. So we will take here ये वाला minus 100 upon 7, or you can take as 14.28, no problem. Minus 14.28 and U we have, what is U? Minus 50. Point 2856. So obviously, so m is smaller than 1, so we will have diminished image always. So you have to write whether it is real or virtual. So which type of image? Because V is negative, that's why it is virtual. Then we have. अब एक बात और समझ लीजिए आप लोग, m is equal to negative और positive. अगर इनसे आपको पता चल जाएगा either you have किस टाइप की इमेज है, इरेक्ट और इन्वर्टेड. कैसे? इफ देखिए फॉर्मूला इज HI upon
Ma'am, meeting will end 10 minutes.
yes HI upon HO is equal to minus V upon U. The formula is M is equal to V upon HI upon HO is equal to V upon U. You have this formula. Now since you are getting, अब हमें बताना है कि हमारी इमेज किस टाइप की है, whether it is erect सीधी है या फिर इन्वर्टेड. तो हमने आपको बताया था इफ अगर हमने ऊपर लेना है तो पॉजिटिव, नीचे लेना है तो नेगेटिव. तो अब आप बताइए फॉर इरेक्ट एम शुड बी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. एम की वैल्यू अगर पॉजिटिव आएगी तो आपका इरेक्ट होगा, या नेगेटिव आएगी तो आपका इरेक्ट होगा. या Here we have positive, that means which type of, किस टाइप की आपकी इमेज आई है? Erect, virtual, erect, diminished, and at the distance of 14.28 centimeter from the optical center. चार चीजें आपको लिखनी है, virtual और real, erect or inverted, diminished or enlarged, and where you have find it. Okay, like this you have to solve your numericals. Okay, look at here, we have another conditions, another type of questions. एक आपका पावर वाला देख लेते हैं, पावर वाला. According to the question, we will have the variation in the M. Okay. One question: a concave lens of focal length, a concave lens of focal length 10 centimeter is placed in contact with the convex lens of focal length 1 centimeter. So we have two concave lenses. We have two lenses here. One concave lens of focal length. One is concave, another is convex. The length of concave, focal length of concave lens is given to you 10 centimeter. So length of the focal length, concave. First we have concave lens f1. So it is concave, that means we will take as negative, minus 10 centimeter. Okay, the length of concave lens is minus 10 centimeter, and that of the convex lens is 1 centimeter. F2 is equal to 1 centimeter. Positive we will take because it is a convex lens and it is a concave. You want to write, you can write here concave, and here it is convex. Then you have to find the power of the lens as well as focal length of the combination. We have to find power as well as focal length of the combination. I had just now explained you that P is equal to P1 plus P2. Okay. Since we have two lenses here, so we will take only two here, P1 plus P2. Now I told you that power is equal to reciprocal of the focal length, but it should be in the meters. So 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon F1 plus 1 upon F2 is also a formula for the focal length. ये भी एक formula देगा आपका. 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon F1 plus 1 upon F2. तो या तो हम पहले फोकल लेंथ निकाल लेंगे, उसके अकॉर्डिंग पावर निकाल लेंगे, और we will first find the powers, then we will find the. Okay, so here we have two formulas. So power of first lens P1, if you want to find power of the first lens, this is equal to 1 upon F1. That means 100 upon 10, because we have to divide it from 100 if we want to find it into the diopters. So power of this first lens is equal to minus 10 diopter. Similarly, power of the second lens is equal to 1 upon F2. Here we have 1 upon 1 centimeters. If we want to change it in meters, what we have to do? Divide by 100. So this is your 100 diopter. Power of the combination P is equal to P1 plus P2. That means minus 10 plus 100, 90 diopter. Power of the combination is 90 diopter, and focal length of the combination इसको reciprocate कर दीजिए आप. Focal length of the combination is equal to P is equal to 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon P. P we have minus 90. Minus 90, it should be in now. क्या आएगा आपका आंसर is in meters. But if we want to change it to centimeters, what we have to do? इसको हम कर देंगे multiply by 100. That means 100 upon 100 minus. Okay. Focal length is equal to that much centimeters. किस टाइप का लेंस है ये हमारा? Since we have focal length is negative, which type of lens we have? So combination of the lens will always act as the concave lens, and the power of that lens is minus 90.
Now your chapter is over. In my next class we will discuss some numerical related to this chapter. Till then, thank you and God bless all of you.